I am Janardhan, the founder, chairman, director of Camry Hospitals Private Limited, located in Arikere and Jigini. Today, we are happy to be a prime sponsors for the South India Queen 2025 event through sponsored by Sankey Events. Today, we are sponsoring this event because for the young generation, we wanted to motivate them for the to upcome with the fashion shows, and we have a lot of departments like dermatology, like pediatrics, gynec, ortho, most of the departments apart from cardiology. So we request each one of them, like if they require any healthcare related services, they can directly drop into the hospital.
ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಾನು ಬಾಬು ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಸಹಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ವೀನ್ 2025 ಈ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಷ್ಮಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು 10 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು 4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫ್, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಡೌಟ್, ಓಕೆ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫರ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ವೀನ್. ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ 2014 ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನಂದರೆ ಹೊಸ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹೂ ಕೆನ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಕಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 5 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಕೇರಳ, ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು, ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 5 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದು 25 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬರೋದೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್. So it's not only a beauty pageant what we are doing. We are more into social cause. Like we are take all this model to the blind, orphanage, just spend times. So first is humanity, amele the fashion. So that's how we work. So today is our finale, and this is a 9th season we are doing. And thank you so much.
This is fashion designer Sanjay Choraria, and I've been judging South India Queen ever since its inception. And in this event, we have gotten some really amazing talents like Dipali, Pratiksha, Champaka, and so on. I hope I'm not missing any big names here. And this year, I'm looking forward to some really, really more beautiful, more amazing talent. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, this is Dipali Bhatt, Miss Body Beautiful 2016, Miss Karnataka 2016 and the winner of South India Queen 2016. I'm also an entrepreneur now and I own a makeup studio and academy called Kokomu Beauty Studio. I'm here as the jury for the finale of South India Queen 2025. I'm super excited. The talent lineup is amazing and I'm looking forward to a great show. I'd like to wish them all the very best. I'm sure that they've got the perfect grooming, they've got the perfect training, and I wish that even after the finale is done, they carry forward all the lessons learned, they imbibe all the things that they've learned in their life, and they make a great career ahead. Thank you.
For the models, I would like to wish them all the very best. To the ones who really wanted some kind of a push, some kind of a start, this place is your place and it is the push that you need to achieve. And I can proudly tell that I was once a contestant who just dreamed of being part of a pageant, and today I am the winner. So do consider yourself really lucky to be part of the team itself as a contestant. Apart from that, all the very best, give your best. I'm sure you will be happy towards the end of it.
ಹಾಯ್, ನಾನು ವಿನುತಾ ಅಂತ, ವಿನುತಾ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ. ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ವೀನ್ 2025 ನಾನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇವೆಂಟ್.
Good evening, I'm Seema Povaya from DK Fashion Styling and Events. I am here at the South India Queen contest, which was organized by Mr. Pradeep. I know Mr. Pradeep personally more than 2 years now. He's our inspiration and he's always encouraged the youngsters to do their own business. And in that way, I'm the one among them. And I'm thankful to him and all the best to all the people, and also my upcoming show, which is on August 13, 2025, which is at New BL Road. Venue is Cocobolo. Thank you.
So, good evening, everyone. So, I'm really thankful for the invitation from Pradeep sir. So, South Indian Queens. So, I'm really thankful, and I congratulate everyone for the participants who are participating today. So, really great event, and I'm really thankful to Pradeep sir because he is creating opportunities and he is creating a stage for everyone. So, once again, and it is like so showcasing the talents of everyone and creating a stage and giving a stage for everyone. That is like a very good thing, and congratulate everyone and all the best to everyone. Thank you so much.
ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಕಾಶಲ್ಯ ಅಂತ, ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಡಿಸೈನರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಒಂದು ಪೆಜೆಂಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಮಿಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಸಹ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಸರ್. ಐ ನೋ ಹಿಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ more than 20 years. So I used to work for him. So when she wanted to start her career, I wanted her to start with Pradeep sir. That is where I approached Pradeep sir, and I've come here, and I'm very much happy with Pradeep sir because he is the safest guy I know in this industry. So I wanted her to start with Pradeep sir, her career. Thank you.
This is Kavita, fashion model from Bangalore. I am here at the South India Queen 2025 organized by Sankey Events. Wishing every contestant all the best. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
My name is Avinash, and I am the host for today's event, and that is South India Queen 2025. The event is going to start, and believe me, what a lovely response. I can see all the contestants really in a very excited mood and to do a wonderful job. I'm expecting a very good event, and at Parag Hotel, that's a lovely venue. We are here, and good. I thank Express Time who's covering this, and all the best to all the contestants, I can say. Let's watch it out.
So we have a total of 16 to 18 models in the event who will be participating as contestants. There are several rounds: an introduction round, a Q&A round, and the modeling, a ramp walk. Let's hope for the best to win the event, and let's see who is going to be the South India Queen 2025 winner. And I'm very proud to be a makeup artist for all those models who are really looking very pretty. Thank you.
We have done all the makeups and hair, sarees and everything.
For all the models.
There was a team with us, and
Thanks to Sankey
thank you
Events.
so much for Sankey Events, Pradeep sir, Abhishek sir and Aisha ma'am and everyone.
The event is so good, so neat, and everything is so organized.
And it was so awesome. The experience was so amazing. Thank you so much.
Hi one and all, I am Yeshu from Yeshu Makeover, and this is Geeta.
Hi.
Geeta Makeup and Hair and Academy. We have come here as a makeup artist. Thank you for the special event, and the Abhilash sir and Pradeep sir. They called me here, and thank you for Aisha makeup artistry. Thank you. All the best for the models. It's a good job, good opportunity. Do it your best.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharada. I won the title of South India Queen 2025. South India Queen has been an amazing journey for me. It has been a great learning experience, and winning this title today just shows that I learned what was taught. And yes, I really can't get anything out of my mouth because I'm so overwhelmed. But yes, I'm really grateful for Pradeep sir, Sushmita ma'am for making me be a part of such a great event and helping me learn so much. And thank you so much.
Hello everyone, it's me Simran Chetri, and I'm from Meghalaya. Talking about the show South Indian Queen 2025, I got the Miss South India first runner-up, and it's feel like amazing moment for me. And like talking about experience, it was really amazing. Like the way they treat us, the way they make us learn and all. It was amazing. So I feel so good wearing this crown, and I'm looking forward to work with Pradeep sir again. So yeah, thank you so much for giving me this crown and my momentum, like my happiness. Yeah, thank you.
My name is Vismaya Kumar, and I've been joined this family for the sessions and all. It's been since 1 year. I'm waiting for this moment to get. So I'm so happy, and I can't express my words through anything. And the things, how I been here, is all because of Sankey events. How they teach us a lot of lessons. I very thankful to Pradeep sir and Sushmita ma'am. I'm really thankful to them to be here. Thank you.